This video is going to show you how to solder a broken wire. So let's get into it. Pour a little bit of water onto the sponge of your soldering iron. Turn the dial of your soldering iron to number 4 and then turn it on. You want to give that soldering iron a good 2 minutes to heat up. Take a spool of solder and keep it next to the iron. If you don't have a soldering iron kit, click on the link below and you'll get the exact same setup that I'm using. Next, you want to put on a pair of safety glasses. Once that iron is good and hot, you want to carefully wipe off any residue that's on the tip. Now let's look at the broken wire. Touch the spot where the wire is supposed to go for about 5 seconds. Take your solder and then touch that area. Using a Gerber multi-tool, grab that wire, gently place it right there and hold it. If you blow on the solder, it'll cool a little bit faster. Give it a gentle tug, and if it doesn't move, congratulations, you just learned how to solder. If you need all these tools, there's a link in the description below for you. My name is Rick Burrows, you're watching Fix It Rick. Always remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and only He can solve your biggest problem. Let there be light.